So first thing first, you have to sign in on the YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com. And after that, you want to make sure you are already purchasing the base plan of YouTube TV and also the NFL Red Zone with the Sports Plus bundle. Don't forget to ensure both of the plan is still active, because you cannot watch SportsGrid without having YouTube TV base plan and NFL Red Zone plan in the first place. So from the homepage of YouTube TV, you want to go to your top right of your screen, and then you want to click on the store icon. Then you want to click on all to see all channel, and then you want to search for NFL Red Zone with Sports Plus bundle. Just click on it. And as you can see, if you want to buy the NFL Red Zone package, you must have the YouTube TV base plan first. So you have to purchase both of the plans at once. But if you already have the YouTube TV base plan, then you are eligible to purchase just the NFL Red Zone package. But either way, click on next and complete your purchase with debit card, credit card, or even your PayPal. So after you buy the package, to watch SportsGrid, you want to go to your top right of your screen again, but this time click on the search icon. And then you want to search for sports. And right here on the SportsGrid network, you want to click on it. And then you may scroll down and see the live session of the SportsGrid. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. And that's how to watch SportsGrid on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.